Welcome to Mars Bound. Today, we're on a mission to explore the future. We're diving into the 10 steps humans are taking for Mars colonization. If you've ever wondered about life on other planets or the future of humanity, you're in the right place. We're not just talking about the next spacecraft launch or rover mission. We're talking about a future where humans have expanded their reach beyond Earth. A future where the red landscape of Mars is the next frontier. If you're curious about our future on the red planet, stick around till the end. You won't want to miss this. So strap in and let's get ready to journey to a world beyond our own. Let's get Mars bound. Have you ever wondered how humans are preparing for Mars colonization? Picture this: a world where humans are not confined to just one planet, where the idea of being a multiplanetary species isn't a figment of science fiction, but rather a tangible reality. Imagine the red planet, Mars, as our next frontier. This isn't merely a dream or a vision for the distant future. It's a grand endeavor that's unfolding right now, right before our eyes. We're not just talking about sending probes or rovers, we're talking about the colonization of Mars by humans. This is an undertaking of monumental proportions, one that requires not just technological advancements, but also a reimagining of what we know about human resilience, adaptation, and indeed, what it means to be a species. Think about it. The challenges are immense. We're dealing with a planet that has a hostile environment, a thin atmosphere, extreme temperatures, and a day-night cycle slightly longer than Earth's. And yet, the very essence of human spirit is to explore, to push the boundaries, to venture into the unknown. Mars represents the next big step in that inexorable journey. We're not just planning to visit Mars, we're preparing to live there, to create a self-sustaining colony. This is not just about survival, it's about thriving in a whole new world. It's about taking the collective knowledge and survival instincts that have served us for thousands of years on Earth and applying them to a new planet. And it's not just about the survival of the human species, it's about the survival of life itself. If we can make life thrive on Mars, who's to say we can't do it on other planets? The colonization of Mars might very well be the first step towards becoming a truly spacefaring species. The task is colossal, but so is the human spirit. So how are we preparing for it? What steps are we taking? What plans are in place? What technologies are we developing? Let's dive into the 10 ways humans are preparing for this colossal task. First and foremost, we need a place to live. Designing habitats for Mars is no small task. Imagine trying to create a home in a place where temperatures can drop to -80 degrees Celsius, where the air is mostly carbon dioxide, and where radiation levels are dangerously high. Yet, in the face of these challenges, progress is being made. Scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to develop sustainable habitats that can withstand the Martian elements. These habitats are more than just shelters. They're self-contained ecosystems designed to support life in the most extreme conditions. They must provide air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat, and energy to power everything. They must also offer a degree of comfort and normality to help inhabitants cope with the isolation and harsh reality of living on another planet. It's a monumental task, but one that's crucial for our future on Mars. Designing habitats on Mars is only the beginning. The second step is ensuring survival. How do you ask? Well, by developing advanced life support systems. These systems are more than just high-tech gadgets. They are the lifeline of astronauts on Mars, providing air, water, and food. Imagine turning the barren Martian atmosphere into breathable air. Scientists are working on technologies that can extract oxygen from carbon dioxide. It's like bringing a piece of Earth to Mars, don't you think? But we can't survive on air alone. Thus, water is critical. To address this, engineers are designing systems to extract water from the Martian soil and recycle every drop used within the habitat. And what about food? Hydroponics and aeroponics are the future of food production on Mars, allowing astronauts to grow their own food in a controlled environment with no need for soil. Survival on Mars requires more than just air, water, and food. It's about creating a self-sustaining ecosystem, a home away from home. Next, we have to protect ourselves from Mars's harmful radiation. Unlike Earth, Mars lacks a global magnetic field, which on Earth acts as a shield, protecting us from the sun's deadly cosmic rays. Consequently, Mars's surface is continually bombarded by radiation, which can cause severe health problems like cancer. To combat this, scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to develop effective radiation protection systems. One promising solution is to use the Martian soil itself, known as regolith, to protect astronauts. By building habitats underground or covering surface habitats with thick layers of regolith, we can significantly reduce radiation exposure. Another innovative method being explored is the use of radiation-blocking vests. These vests are made from materials that can absorb or deflect harmful radiation, providing a wearable shield for astronauts. Technologies like these are not just theoretical, they're being tested and refined as we speak. With radiation protection in place, we're one step closer to Mars. Mars colonization isn't just a physical challenge, but a mental one too. As we venture into the depths of space, we're not only battling the harsh environment, but also the psychological hurdles that come with it. Imagine the isolation. You're millions of miles away from Earth, separated from your loved ones and the familiarity of home. The long duration of the journey and the potential for communication delays can make this isolation even more daunting. Then there's the mental toll of living in a confined space, with the same faces day in and day out. Without a variety of experiences and interactions, monotony can lead to stress and even conflict. And let's not forget the constant underlying fear, the knowledge that a single mistake could have catastrophic consequences. To counter these challenges, we need robust mental health support systems in place. This could range from virtual reality experiences to simulate Earth, to comprehensive mental health care programs. Addressing these challenges is crucial to our success on Mars. But how will we get there? A question that's been at the forefront of our minds since the dawn of the space age. The answer lies in the development of spacecraft capable of carrying humans to Mars. Building a spacecraft for Mars is no small feat. The challenges are immense, starting with the propulsion systems. While chemical rockets have served us well for short trips to the moon and around our home planet, they're just not efficient enough for a journey to Mars. We need something capable of covering vast interplanetary distances, something that can handle the grueling 6 to 9 months journey. This is where advanced propulsion systems like ion thrusters and nuclear propulsion come into play. Ion thrusters, which use electric fields to accelerate ions to high speeds, promise to be much more fuel efficient than chemical rockets. On the other hand, nuclear propulsion, which uses nuclear reactions to generate thrust, can potentially cut the travel time to Mars by half. But propulsion is just one piece of the puzzle. There's also the challenge of long-duration space travel. Imagine being confined in a small spacecraft for months on end with no chance of resupply until you reach your destination. Every system on board has to be reliable and capable of being repaired in case of failure. Then, there's the issue of life support. The spacecraft must have systems in place to recycle air and water, and to provide the crew with food for the entire journey. Not to mention the need for shielding against harmful cosmic and solar radiation. And let's not forget the challenge of landing. Mars has a thin atmosphere, which makes it notoriously difficult to land on. The spacecraft must be equipped with advanced landing systems to safely touch down on the red planet. Indeed, building the ship is just one part of the journey, but it's a crucial one, laying the foundation for our future endeavors in space. The development of these spacecraft is not just about getting us to Mars. It's about unlocking the potential of human exploration and pushing the boundaries of what we know and where we can go. Building the ship is just one part of the journey. Our astronauts need to be prepared for the journey and life on Mars. The training programs in place are intense and multifaceted, designed to equip astronauts with the physical and mental toughness required for such a momentous endeavor. Physical training is a crucial aspect. Astronauts must maintain peak physical condition to endure the rigors of the journey and life on Mars. This includes strength training to combat muscle atrophy and cardiovascular exercises to counteract the effects of long-term weightlessness. Simulation exercises are another essential element. These exercises are not just about learning how to operate spacecraft or rovers. They're about preparing astronauts for the isolation and confinement they'll experience, the need for teamwork in a small group, and the potential for emergencies that could arise millions of miles from home. The training doesn't stop once astronauts are in space. They continue to train and adapt, learning how to live and work in a whole new world. Training the crew is a vital part of the mission. Robots are our scouts, paving the way for human exploration. From the dusty plains of Mars, these mechanical pioneers have been working tirelessly, laying the groundwork for our future Martian colonies. Our robotic emissaries, like the famed Rovers Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity, have been the eyes and ears for scientists back on Earth, conducting geological studies and searching for signs of life. These rovers are equipped with an array of sophisticated instruments, each designed to probe the Martian surface, analyze its composition, and capture stunning high-resolution images. Meanwhile, other robots are being developed to assist in building habitats, maintaining equipment, and even farming. Robots like NASA's Robonaut and the European Space Agency's ExoMars are designed to perform tasks too dangerous or mundane for humans. Their contribution is invaluable. They push the boundaries of our knowledge, answering questions while raising new ones, and prepare us for the challenges we'll face in our Martian future. Our robotic companions are essential in our journey to Mars. Colonizing Mars is a costly endeavor. It's not just about the high-tech spacecrafts, the advanced life support systems, or the cutting-edge habitat designs. It's also about the immense financial resources needed to make this ambitious dream a reality. Think about it for a moment. The journey to Mars isn't a simple round-trip commute. It's a multi-billion-dollar investment, a grand undertaking that requires funding from various sources. Governments, private companies, international collaborations, and even public contributions all play a crucial role in financing this mission. Take NASA's Artemis program, for instance. To return humans to the moon and establish the groundwork for future Mars missions, the U.S. government has allocated billions of dollars. But government funding alone isn't enough. Private space companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are also investing heavily, propelled by their vision of a multi-planetary future. Furthermore, international collaborations are vital. Space agencies from Europe, Russia, China, and other countries are pooling their resources to contribute to Mars exploration. These collaborations not only spread the financial burden, but also foster a sense of global unity for this common goal. But what about the economic impact? Well, space exploration has historically proven to be a good investment. It drives technological innovation, creates high-paying jobs, and stimulates the economy. The Apollo moon missions, for instance, led to advancements in computer technology, telecommunications, and even healthcare. Mars colonization promises similar, if not greater, economic benefits. Yet the financial hurdle remains high. Mars colonization is an expensive endeavor, with estimates running into the hundreds of billions of dollars. It's a daunting challenge, one that requires not just financial resources, but also a commitment to long-term planning and international cooperation. But let's not forget, the greatest achievements in human history have always come with significant challenges. And the colonization of Mars, a milestone in our cosmic journey, is no different. Funding the mission is a challenge we must overcome. The future of space exploration and our role in the cosmos depends on it. Mars colonization is a monumental task. Indeed, the journey to Mars is no small feat. It's a testament to human ingenuity and resilience, a journey that transcends the ordinary, venturing into the extraordinary. It's a journey of 10 crucial steps, each as significant as the other, each an integral part of the grand narrative of our quest to become an interplanetary species. Designing habitats is our first step. It's about creating a home away from home, a sanctuary amid the Martian desolation. Then come the life support systems, our lifeline in an alien world, ensuring we can breathe, eat, and live in a world not designed for us. Radiation protection is our shield against the harsh realities of space. It's our armor, protecting us from the unknown elements of a new world. And then, we have the psychological challenges, the mental toll of isolation and the unknown, a hurdle we must overcome with resilience and determination. The development of spacecraft is a testament to our technological prowess, our ability to innovate and adapt. It's about creating vessels that can traverse the vast expanse of space, ferrying us to our new home. Training astronauts, the pioneers of this new frontier, is about preparing them for the trials and tribulations of a journey unlike any other. The Mars rovers and robots are our eyes and ears on the red planet, an extension of our curiosity and our desire to explore the unknown. Funding the mission is about rallying the support and resources necessary for this colossal endeavor, a testament to our collective will to venture beyond our comfort zone. Each step, each milestone is a testament to our resolve to venture beyond our known world, to brave the unknown and make it known. Each step is a story of human courage, ingenuity, and the undying spirit of exploration. As we prepare to step onto the red planet, we embark on a journey that will forever change our place in the universe. If you've gained new knowledge from our exploration of Mars colonization, then we urge you to express your appreciation by liking this video. We are eager to hear your take on this mission, so share your thoughts in the comment. Do you think we are ready to become an interplanetary species? What hurdles do you foresee? We are curious about what excites you the most about this journey. Voice your opinions and join us in this thrilling venture. Never forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more of such enlightening content. Remember, the journey to Mars is for every single one of us, a tribute to our shared potential. So pass this on to your friends and family. Let's motivate more people to gaze at the stars and envisage the prospects. Together, we can turn this journey into reality. So are you prepared to take the leap? Join us as we traverse into the unknown.